Welcome to one of the most extraordinary residences ever created in the heart of Bel Air, a $22 million modern masterpiece that doesn't just sit in Los Angeles, it defines luxury living at its highest level. From the moment you arrive, this home makes a statement that is bold, confident, and unapologetically elite. Set behind sleek gates and surrounded by lush landscaping, the architecture immediately commands attention with its clean lines, dramatic glass walls, and a perfect balance of stone, wood, and steel. This is not just a house. This is a private world designed for those who expect the absolute best. As you step through the front door, you're welcomed into a grand, light-filled interior where floor-to-ceiling glass dissolves the boundary between indoors and outdoors. Natural light floods every corner, creating a calm yet powerful atmosphere that feels both expansive and intimate. The ceilings soar above you, giving the space an almost gallery-like presence, while the carefully curated materials underfoot and around you remind you that every detail here was chosen with intention. The open concept design flows effortlessly, making the home feel endless yet perfectly connected. Straight ahead, the main living area unfolds with breathtaking scale. Oversized windows frame panoramic views of Los Angeles, stretching from the rolling hills of Bel Air all the way to the city skyline. During the day, the space is bright and serene, while at night, the city lights transform the room into a cinematic backdrop. A custom-designed fireplace anchors the living area, adding warmth and elegance, while plush seating arrangements invite both intimate conversations and grand entertaining. Moving seamlessly into the formal dining area, you'll find a space designed to impress without feeling overwhelming. A statement chandelier hangs above a table fit for hosting unforgettable dinners, while glass walls ensure that every meal comes with a view. Whether you're entertaining high-profile guests or enjoying a quiet evening with family, this dining space adapts effortlessly to the moment. The kitchen is nothing short of spectacular. Designed to meet the standards of a professional chef, it features top-of-the-line appliances, custom cabinetry, and a massive island that serves as both a functional workspace and a social hub. Sleek stone countertops reflect the natural light, while hidden storage keeps the space clean and minimalist. This is a kitchen where culinary creativity thrives, whether you're preparing a casual breakfast or hosting a full-scale private event with catering staff. Adjacent to the kitchen, a relaxed family lounge offers a more intimate setting, perfect for everyday living. This space feels warm and inviting, with soft textures, subtle lighting, and direct access to the outdoor terraces. It's a place where mornings start with coffee and sunlight, and evenings wind down with conversation and comfort. As you explore further, the home reveals its private quarters, beginning with the stunning primary suite. This sanctuary is designed to feel like a luxury hotel penthouse, offering complete privacy and unmatched comfort. Floor-to-ceiling glass once again takes center stage, opening up to breathtaking views and private outdoor space. The bedroom itself is spacious yet calming, with a neutral palette that allows the views and architecture to shine. The primary bathroom is a true spa retreat. Finished in premium stone and marble, it features a freestanding soaking tub positioned to capture the view, a walk-in glass shower with rainfall fixtures, and dual vanities that combine beauty with functionality. Every element here is designed to promote relaxation and indulgence, creating a daily ritual that feels like a five-star experience. The walk-in closet rivals those found in the world's most exclusive boutiques, with custom shelving, display lighting, and space for even the most extensive collections. Additional guest suites throughout the home continue the theme of luxury and comfort. Each bedroom is generously sized, complete with its own ensuite bathroom and thoughtfully designed finishes. These spaces ensure that every guest feels just as special as the homeowner, offering privacy, comfort, and stunning views from nearly every angle. Entertainment is at the heart of this Bel Air mansion, and the amenities here are nothing short of world-class. A private home theater offers a fully immersive cinematic experience, with plush seating, advanced sound systems, and ambient lighting that sets the mood for movie nights or private screenings. This is a space designed to impress, whether you're hosting friends or enjoying a quiet evening alone. For those who prioritize wellness, the home includes a fully equipped private gym with state-of-the-art equipment and mirrored walls, creating an energizing environment for daily workouts. Nearby, a spa area with a sauna and steam room offers the perfect way to unwind and recharge, bringing resort-style living directly into your home. As impressive as the interior is, the outdoor spaces truly elevate this property to another level. Expansive terraces extend from the main living areas, blurring the line between indoor and outdoor living. The infinity edge pool appears to float above the city, offering uninterrupted views and a sense of complete escape. Whether you're swimming at sunset or lounging poolside during the day, this outdoor area feels like a private resort overlooking Los Angeles. A sunken fire pit lounge creates an intimate gathering space, perfect for evening conversations under the stars. Nearby, an outdoor kitchen and dining area make al fresco entertaining effortless, allowing you to host unforgettable events with the city as your backdrop. Every outdoor detail has been carefully designed to maximize comfort, beauty, and privacy. The landscaping throughout the property is lush yet refined, providing a natural frame for the architecture while enhancing the sense of seclusion. Mature trees, manicured greenery, and subtle lighting create a tranquil environment that feels miles away from the city, even though you're just minutes from the best Los Angeles has to offer. Technology plays a key role in this home, with a fully integrated smart system that controls lighting, climate, security, and entertainment at the touch of a button. Advanced security features ensure peace of mind, while automated systems make daily living effortless. This is modern luxury in its most refined form, where convenience and sophistication go hand in hand. What truly sets this $22 million Bel Air mansion apart is its ability to balance grandeur with livability. While the scale and design are undeniably impressive, the home never feels cold or uninviting. Instead, it offers a warm, welcoming atmosphere that adapts to both grand entertaining and quiet everyday moments. Located in one of the most prestigious neighborhoods in the world, this property places you at the center of Los Angeles luxury living. Bel Air is known for its privacy, exclusivity, and proximity to top destinations, from Beverly Hills shopping to world-class dining and entertainment. Living here means enjoying the best of Los Angeles while retreating each day to a private sanctuary above it all. As the sun sets and the city lights begin to sparkle below, this home takes on an entirely new character. The glass walls reflect the glow of the skyline, the pool shimmers under soft lighting, and the entire property feels alive with energy and elegance. It's in these moments that the true magic of this mansion is revealed. This is more than a residence, it's a statement of success, vision, and refined taste. A home designed for those who understand that luxury is not just about size or price, but about experience, emotion, and lifestyle. Every space, every view, and every detail has been crafted to deliver a living experience that is nothing short of extraordinary. This $22 million Bel Air mansion doesn't just redefine Los Angeles luxury living, it sets a new standard for what modern elegance can be. From its commanding architecture to its world-class amenities and breathtaking views, this is a home that represents the very pinnacle of luxury real estate. A rare opportunity to own not just a house, but a legacy, high above the city of dreams.